everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can record your screen in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am in a blank project. I've only imported 2 pieces of media, which I will not be using for this tutorial here, but pretty much this is where all your projects and your editing will start. Now, to record or create your own video, all you need to do, of course, is go right below your media in the top left and click record and create. Here you have a couple of options which you can choose. You have either screen and camera recording, only camera, only screen, or audio recording. And for the purposes of this tutorial, all you need to do is click on screen, and here you'll be asked to allow your microphone and access to your, just your microphone, it looks like. And all you have to do is select your microphone, of course the microphone you'll be using, and this is mine. That's mine. That's pretty much what I wanted to say. Recording is limited to 30 minutes, as you can see here, so you need to have a premium version to have more, as far as I'm aware. And you can choose a speaker coach if you want to. You can turn it on or off, and all you have to do is just hit the big red button, and that should be pretty much it. And yeah, you can just choose the tab, the screen, do whatever you want. For example, I'll choose this one, or yeah, let's choose that one. That's me looking up how that's done, and as you can see, it is recording this screen or that tab, and that's pretty much all there is to it. And once that's done, you'll be presented with a preview of your video. You can save it or you can exit. If you exit, it'll delete it, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll just choose exit since I don't want that recorded, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.